The first was Chris.
Right.
Chris is a big smiler, never failing to disarm his date. He's attentive and encouraging.
You know, frequented their establishments frequently and passionately.
He's always eager to ask the girls about themselves.
And are you from that neck of the woods originally, or right? Yeah.
He's got lots of questions. Unfortunately, they tend to be stock questions. It sounds more like an interview than a conversation.
Mag, what do you like doing in your spare time? What sort of man are you looking for then? You haven't been watching the rugby on the TV. What do you do for fun then? Do you work around this part of town, or what do you like doing? What's your recreational choice?
But this doesn't mean he's doing badly. It's just a typically male approach to a social situation.
Mixed boys and girls? Yeah.
I also tracked Vicky.
Yeah.
Her approach is very different from Chris's. She's adaptive. With every date, she asks different questions and the conversations evolve spontaneously.
Oh, you're right. All right, mate. How are you doing?
Not bad, yourself?
Good.
I'll tell you about my activities outside work.
Fine.
They're more interesting.
That's fantastic, because I'd rather not talk about work as well, so bring it on.
Like half an hour on
Yes.
the tube.
Yeah, not bad.
There's an island thing called the White Sands.
Notice her attentiveness and the animation in her face when she's asking a question.
I didn't actually have time for that.
She widens her eyes and raises her eyebrows. As soon as she's completed the question, she stops talking and gives her date a chance to respond.
They got this jellyfish, the hurricane.
She opens her mouth as a sign of astonishment, nods her head in encouragement, and raises her eyebrows to show how impressed she is. She's showing her date that she's interested in what he has to say, and that she can identify with his feelings.
To actually not go out every single night, I'd imagine.
Although she doesn't know it, Vicky is displaying her facial facility. Her tells demonstrate that she's capable of a wide range of emotions and that she knows how to display them appropriately. In evolutionary terms, she's telling him that she would make a sensitive mate and a caring mother.
An hour and a half of yoga.
Good man. Wow.
So I'm actually feeling very at peace with myself.
At the end of the evening, it's no surprise that every one of the 20 men ticked Vicky. Chris was the most popular man at the event. 13 women ticked him. When it comes to first impressions, there's no doubt that women have the upper hand. On average, the men ticked twice as many people as the women. Although we don't know it, we're constantly sending and receiving sexual messages. Other people are looking us over and deciding whether we are attractive, and we're doing the same to them.